Welcome to the screencast. We're going to show you how to write checks in QuickBooks Online and then print them. So let's get right to it. So the first thing I'm going to show you, there's two methods. I'm going to show you the long one. So come over here to the plus sign, and that is your create menu. It'll open your create menu. Go under vendors, click check, and then the write checks window will appear. This is the write checks window. This is where you're going to enter all the information and write the check. Let's close out of here and show you the shortcut way of doing it. I am using Safari on a Mac, but there's the same keys, the same keystrokes in the PC, which are Control-Alt-W. And it's the same screen. I'm going to print, let's print a check to the healthcare company. So I'm going to tab over checking, and let's go ahead and add an address. The payment date is 4/30, and print later. Very good. Insurance is my account. You can either write it down or open the menu and look for it. The amount, 1,500, and you have the invoice number. Let's write it down here because it's going to show up on the check. And here at the bottom, you see this black bar has several options. Go ahead and print check. This is your print check screen. Verify that it's the checking account. Then remove from list. No, you're not going to use this or this. Look at your check stock and see that the check number is the same, and if not, you just go ahead and change it. Go ahead, put the check stock in your printer, and this particular check is the check on top and the stubs at the bottom. I wanted to also show you in this preview screen that the invoice number will show up in the memo area. This is very helpful for when Cigna gets your payment. They'll be able to pull up not only by your company name, by your invoice number. Go ahead and click print. And I'm going to cancel, but you want to print it. And close this window. Next, it's going to ask you if your check's printed all right, and you have the opportunity here to reprint your checks if they did not. So the first option, which is automatically selected, is yes, they all printed correctly. The second option is they need reprinting, and the third option is none of the checks printed right. And the reason is sometimes you print more than one check at a time, and many things happen, especially when you share printers. So you have the opportunity to reprint them, and it saves them in QuickBooks as to be printed, so you can print them later. And that is a really good option. And that is how you write and print checks in QuickBooks Online. Check back to see more videos on how to print and write multiple checks and pay multiple bills. Thanks for watching.